You know what? Life is full of unexpected expenses, from car repairs to medical bills. Without proper planning, these expenses can be overwhelming and cause financial stress. In this video, I will give you tips for building an emergency fund and preparing for unexpected expenses so you can feel confident and secure in your finances. Let's get started. The first step to building an emergency fund is to start saving money. Sounds obvious, right? Open a separate savings account specifically for emergency fund and aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This will give you a financial cushion in case of an unexpected event. Next, set a budget to help you save money each month. Identify areas where you can cut back on expenses such as dining out or subscription services. Every dollar you save can go towards building your emergency fund. To make saving money easier, consider automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund account each month. This way, you won't even have to think about it. Another way to boost your emergency fund is to use windfall money. This can include tax refunds, work bonuses, or even cash gifts. Instead of spending this money, add it to your emergency fund to give it an extra boost. It's also important to consider insurance options to protect yourself from unexpected expenses. Look into options like health insurance, car insurance, and homeowners insurance to ensure that you are covered in case of an emergency. Finally, review your emergency plan regularly to ensure that it's up to date. As your expenses and income change, your emergency plan may need to be adjusted as well. Stay on top of it to ensure that you are always prepared. If you like the content, please motivate me and press the subscribe button. And also don't forget to watch the next video.